Dribbble Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be giving you an expert review of Dribbble, a popular platform for freelancers, particularly those in design, UI, UX, and creative fields. Dribbble isn't just a portfolio showcase, it's a comprehensive platform that connects designers with clients in need of creative services. The platform offers various features like job boards, project listings, and the ability to build a personalized profile that highlights your design skills. For freelancers, Dribbble offers a unique opportunity to network, showcase work, and land freelance projects directly from potential clients. The standout feature of Dribbble is its community-driven approach. Freelancers can post their best work in the form of shots, which are small snippets or pieces of their design portfolio. This makes it easy for clients to find the style and quality they're looking for. The platform also includes a job board where companies post job openings specifically for designers, making it easy to apply for relevant opportunities. Plus, Dribbble's Pro membership unlocks additional features such as access to more job postings, the ability to upload more content, and advanced profile customization, perfect for designers looking to level up their freelancing career. What's great about Dribbble is its simplicity. Unlike other freelancing platforms that can be overwhelming with their extensive requirements and bidding systems, Dribbble allows you to focus on what matters, showcasing your creative work and building your network. The community itself is vibrant and highly engaged, making it a great space for creative professionals to interact and find collaborations. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and visually appealing, which is essential for a design-focused platform. However, there are some downsides to consider. While Dribbble is excellent for showcasing portfolios and networking, it's less robust when it comes to features like client communication and project management compared to some other platforms. Freelancers may need to rely on external tools for project management and tracking payments. Additionally, while the job board is a valuable resource, it's not as extensive as those on larger freelance platforms, meaning competition can still be tough. In conclusion, Dribbble is an excellent platform for creative professionals, especially designers looking to showcase their work and connect with potential clients. The focus on visuals and the vibrant community set it apart from other freelancing platforms, though it might not be the one-stop solution for all aspects of freelancing. For those in design and related fields, Dribbble is a platform worth considering to boost your freelance career.